How to do an elevator pitch using business English from tomebusinessenglish.com. Welcome to Me Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Today, you'll learn how to do a successful elevator pitch in business English. And from the description below the video, you can download a brochure to aid learning. Let's start off by answering the important question: what is an elevator pitch? Simply put, it's a short and effective sales pitch. It can be used to describe yourself or to describe an idea, product, or company. And it's typically about 30 seconds. The time it takes people to ride from the top to the bottom of a building in an elevator. The idea behind having an elevator pitch is that you are prepared to share this information with anyone at any time, even in an elevator. So we now understand what an elevator pitch is, but how can we ensure that our pitch is successful? And here are 5 quick tips to elevator pitch success. Number 1. Positive body language. It's important to ensure good eye contact and have a nice big smile, and ensure hand movements to emphasize key points and to engage with your audience. Ensure an effective posture by standing up straight. Relax your shoulders. Overall, you want to look strong and solid in your posture, but also relaxed. Our next quick tip is positive verbal communication. Ensure a strong and confident and upbeat tone of voice. Aim to sound natural, friendly, and unrehearsed. Enunciate your words and speak slowly. Avoid overly complicated terms. Avoid jargon. Aim to keep your message simple and clear. And our next quick tip is to ensure positive language. You want your elevator pitch to sound professional and upbeat. Using positive business and office phrases can help you convey your pitch in a positive way. Next, it's important to put your elevator pitch together. And you can do this by writing each section of your pitch, then put it all together. Read it aloud. Time how long it takes. If it's possible, aim for a 20 to 30 second pitch length. Then aim to cut out anything that doesn't need to be in your elevator pitch. And finally, the number 5 quick tip is to practice. Rehearse your elevator pitch to family, friends, or by yourself in front of your mirror. Aim to get feedback. Use this feedback to improve your elevator pitch. While you practice your elevator pitch, you can change it, modify it, and continue to test it out. Aim to memorize your elevator pitch. So we've now covered what an elevator pitch is, and the 5 quick tips to elevator pitch success. Moving on, we are now going to look at elevator pitches for students, job seekers, and entrepreneurs. We'll look at their structure and then show you examples of effective elevator pitches. And you can use these examples and change them to suit your needs. What should an elevator pitch structure look like for students? It should look something like this, in that you have an introduction in which you say who you are, say what you study, and say what you hope to become. Then say what you offer. Offer examples of what you have achieved, or tell a short story. Say why you are interested in your listener. Tell your listener what are the benefits. Explain the advantages of working with you. Explain how you are different and unique. And then have a call for action, which is very important. What response do you want at the end of your elevator pitch? Make this happen. And here's our first example of an elevator pitch for students. Hi, my name is Tim Shark, and I am a senior software programmer major. I'm looking for a position that will allow me to use my programming skills. Over the past few years, I've been strengthening these skills through my work with an online shopping channel. Eventually, I'd like to develop apps for shopping. I read that your organization is involved in these kinds of projects. Can you tell me how someone with my experience may fit into your organization? Moving on, example 2 of an elevator pitch for students. Nice to meet you. I'm Jane Dines. I'm currently a senior and I'm studying digital marketing. I hope to become a digital marketer when I graduate. I've had a couple of internships where I worked on several marketing campaigns with a project team. I enjoy developing digital marketing business solutions. The position you have listed in job market today seems like it would be a perfect fit for someone with my skills. I'd like to hear more about the type of projects in your organization and how I might fit in. So we've now looked at structure and 2 elevator pitch examples for students. As I said earlier, please feel free to chop and change these examples to suit your needs. Moving on, let's look at elevator pitches for job seekers, starting off with the structure. What should an elevator pitch structure look like for job seekers? It should look something like this, in that you have an introduction in which you say who you are, say what business you are in, and describe which type of company you'd like to work in. Then say what you offer. Say what group of people you offer service to. Say what your unique selling point is. What are the benefits? Tell your listener what are the benefits, what are the advantages of working with you, and explain how you are different and unique. And then have a call for action. What response do you want at the end of your elevator pitch? And make this happen. And here's our first example of an elevator pitch for job seekers. Hi, my name is Todd. My background is in digital marketing. I majored in digital communications and have long been interested in marketing methods. I'm seeking a position that will allow me to use the skills and strengths I acquired as a student and employee. I've worked on several major projects in the field and would bring that experience to your company. I started out working as an intern at my current firm and was promoted in just 1 year. I'm now looking to take my skills to a new and exciting position. Would you like to take a look at my CV? Moving on, example 2 of an elevator pitch for job seekers. Hi, my name is Alice. I'm a research and development scientist who helps companies use their existing patents and technologies to develop new hair care products. Right now at the Spark Hair Company, I'm finishing a successful project for an anti-balding shampoo. I'm looking for my next challenge. Do you know any companies that are involved in discovering and developing new hair care products? And example 3. My name is Zoe. I help bakeries with multiple locations organize their customer database and boost their sales up to 15%. without having to spend any additional money or time on advertising. Do you know any bakeries with multiple locations that want to boost their sales up to 15%? So we've looked at structure and 3 elevator pitch examples for job seekers. Moving on, we're now going to look at elevator pitches for entrepreneurs, starting off with the structure. What should an elevator pitch structure look like for entrepreneurs? It should look something like this, in that you have an introduction in which you say who you are. Then you need to hook your audience. You could do this perhaps by asking your audience a question. Next, present a problem relevant to your audience with a solution. Tell your listener your USP, your unique selling point, in which you explain how your product or service solves the problem. Explain the benefits of solving the problem, and then have a call for action. What response do you want at the end of your elevator pitch? Make this happen. And here's our first example of an elevator pitch for entrepreneurs. Hi, my name is Tony. Has your manager ever asked you to organize an event with a strict deadline? You say yes, reluctantly. You know it will be a real challenge, and it will mean balancing your workload. The founders of my company, Events for You, constantly see this problem in the workplace. So they created a quality events management service that takes away all this stress at an affordable price. It means that staff can spend time on other essential tasks. Clients say we're practical, affordable, and efficient. So can I organize a small event of your choice based on your unique situation? Moving on, example 2 of an elevator pitch for entrepreneurs. Hi, my name is Aidan. Have you ever watched a business English video but found yourself overwhelmed by the speaker rambling to the extent that you could not learn effectively? I help my students overcome this problem by delivering courses in which I speak at a slower pace. Relevant images, clear text, and captions accompany my voice. This approach to learning ensures better understanding. Students say my business English courses are easy to understand, accessible, and engaging. So, do you want to learn business English fast? Why not purchase one of our courses at special offer prices today? You won't regret it. So we've looked at structure and 2 elevator pitch examples for entrepreneurs. To learn more office phrases, get the Improve Your Business English Master 100 Key Office Phrases course, available at tumibusinessenglish.com courses. It has more than 7 hours of video content with worksheets and activities with easy to understand explanations of office phrases. To learn how to make effective business English presentations, get the Improve Your Business English for Presentations course, available at tumibusinessenglish.com courses. It has more than 3 hours of video content with worksheets and activities aimed at helping you to make an effective presentation and structure.